Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix unable to upload TTF font file in WordPress website even with allow unfiltered upload in wp-config.php file. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cpanel and we are in wp-config.php file. So we already added this code, define allow unfiltered upload true. Now go to media library. Now refresh the page. Now click on add new media file and then select file. Now you don't see TTF file even we added allowed unfiltered upload in wp-config.php file. Now you see custom file. Now select all file. Now you see .ttf file. Now select and open. Now you see error, sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file type. So we are going to fix it by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write wp-code. So this is plugin wp-code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see TTF file, font /TTF. Scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to media page again, refresh the page. Again click on add new media file. Now select file. Now you see .ttf file. Now select. Now you see file is added. Now click on file. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.